Now the next is question number 9. Answer the following questions. And here we have to answer 3 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. So 3 3s are 9. So total marks we are going to get from this section is 9. So we'll start question number 12. Write the balanced chemical equations for the following word equations. So here we have got word equation and we have to convert those word equation into a balanced chemical equations. So we'll start first one. Manganese oxide plus hydrochloric acid gives manganese chloride plus chlorine plus water. So first convert this into its symbols. So manganese oxide means it is MnO2. Hydrochloric acid formula is HCl. When we add these two, we are going to get manganese chloride, MnCl2, then chlorine and water. So here I have written H2O and chlorine, that is Cl2. Now they have asked balanced chemical equation. So we have to balance it. What is balancing? The number of atoms present on left hand side should be equal to the number of atoms present on right hand side, and that reaction is called as balanced chemical equation. So we will start balancing the reaction. So here we will write atoms. Here we'll write LHS. LHS means left hand side, and here we will write RHS, that is right hand side. So this is our LHS and this is our RHS. So here I will write RHS and here this is our LHS. So if you use this method for balancing, it will be very easy for you. So start writing which are the atoms we have. We have Mn, it is manganese. Then we have oxygen. Then we have hydrogen and we have Cl. Now write down number of atoms present at left hand side and right hand side. So Mn, how many are there on the left hand side? It is 1. Then oxygens, how many are there? It is 2. Hydrogen 1 and Cl it is only 1. Then go right hand side, see right hand side, Mn is again 1. Then oxygen it is 1. Then hydrogen it is 2. You can see 2 hydrogen in H2O. And chlorine, Cl it is total 4 we have. 2 from MnCl2 and 2 from Cl2. So this is the condition. Here if you see Mn, both the side it is balanced. And oxygen it is not balanced. Hydrogen also it is not balanced. And even Cl is not balanced. So this we have to start balancing. So Mn we will not balance because it is already balanced. We'll go for oxygen. So oxygen, if you see left hand side we have 2 oxygen, right hand side we have 1 oxygen. So we can convert this 1 into 2 by multiplying with 2. So 1 into 2 will be is equals to 2. So like this we have done oxygen equal on left hand side as well as right hand side. So this 2 we will substitute in our reaction. So where is oxygen? Oxygen is in water. So I'll write it here 2. So I wrote 2. But because of this 2, hydrogen also changed. Hydrogen became 2 to the 4. So on right hand side, I have written hydrogen 2, which is earlier. But because of balancing oxygen, now it became 4. So we will make this 2 as 4. So I'll write it 4 hydrogens on the right hand side. Now oxygen also it is balanced. Now go for hydrogen. Hydrogen right hand side we have 4, left hand side we have only 1. So to make it 4, multiply by 4 on left hand side, so it will become 4. So I will substitute this 4 in our left hand side. So I wrote it 4. Now by writing this 4, you can see here on LHS side, Cl also has got changed. Cl earlier it was 1, now it became 4. So therefore I will make it 4. Now see, hydrogen is already balanced, and because of writing 4, Cl also has got a balance, and with the help of this our whole reaction has balanced. So our first balanced reaction we can write it here, that is MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2, 2H2O, and we got Cl2. So this is our balanced first reaction. We'll move with the second reaction. So see the second reaction. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate and water. So first convert this word equation into its symbols. Calcium hydroxide is CaOH twice. Carbon dioxide is CO2. It gives calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3, and water, it is H2O. So same like earlier, write down first number of atoms on left hand side and right hand side. So I'll write it here, atoms, then this is LHS, this is RHS. So what are the atoms we have? We have calcium, oxygen, hydrogen and carbon. So write down on LHS we have only one calcium. Oxygens we have total 4. So these are 2 and here we have again 2. So total 4 oxygen. Hydrogen we have 2. Carbon we have 1. Now go to RHS. Calcium we have 1. Oxygen we have 4. 3 from CaCO3 and 1 from water. Then hydrogen we have 2 and carbon we have 1. So if you see this table, calcium both the side it is 1 1 balance, oxygen 4 4 balance, hydrogen 2 2 balance, even carbon it is 1 1 balance. So this reaction is already balanced, no need to balance the reaction. We'll write it. So our equation is CaOH twice plus CO2 CO2 and then we are getting CaCO3 plus water. So this is our balanced chemical equation. We'll move with the third one. That is zinc carbonate gives zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Convert this into a symbolic form. Zinc carbonate is ZnCO3. You can see this. Zinc oxide is ZnO and carbon dioxide is CO2. So write down all the atoms in the table. So atoms, this is LHS and this side it is RHS. So write down atom, we have zinc, we have carbon and we have oxygen. Zinc on LHS side it is 1, RHS side also it is 1. Carbon on LHS side it is 1, even on RHS side it is 1. Oxygen here it is 3 and this side 1 from ZnO, 1 from CO2, so total again 3. So if you see zinc 1 1 balanced, carbon 1 1 balanced, oxygen also 3 3 balanced. So this reaction is also already balanced. No need to balance this equation. So write down the final equation. ZnCO3 gives ZnO plus CO2. So this is our final equation. So like this 3 reaction you have to write for all 3 equations, word equations. So here you should know the formula first. If you know how to write zinc carbonate, if you know how to write calcium hydroxide or these all the formulas, then the writing reaction is very easy. Already we have studied in our earlier classes 9th standard how to write this formula. You should know the oxidation number of each ion. If you know the oxidation number, then easily you can write the formula. For example, I will show you one how to write the formula. We will take CaOH twice. So see how we got this formula, that is calcium hydroxide. So we will take Ca oxidation state is +2, OH oxidation state is -1. So if you cross these, then this 1 comes on Ca side, so Ca will be 1 and 2 goes on OH side. So OH we have to write in bracket and then write there 2. So like this we can write the formula of all the compounds. So you should know the oxidation states of every ion. This is the answer for question number 22. Now we'll move with the next question.